everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be following along Lola Tung's makeup and skincare routine as a celebration of the Summer Acting Pretty Season 3. I'm filming this on the day that Season 3 episode 8 came out and I just watched it. I'm still trying to get over that ending. Oh my god, like the wedding episode, there's so much to unpack here. I'm a very big fan of the show and the books. I actually read the books when I was like 15 or 16 years old, so years ago, and back then I had no idea the show was about to be turned into a TV show. I don't think anyone knew, really. I'm actually really happy with the show. I think it's one of the best, if not the best, on-screen adaptation that I've ever watched. So yeah, I'm very excited, but without further ado, let's get started with Lola's routine.
Hi, it's Lola Tung.
Hi,
I'm
Lola.
gonna walk you through my skincare routine and a very lip makeup look. I'm starting with this Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, and I just use my hands.
Okay, so toner with our hands. I don't normally use toner. Sometimes I do, but it's very rare. So today I'm going to be using this one. All the products will be linked in the description below, by the way. I think this is too... Can I put this on with my hands? It's so big. Okay, let's try it. It smells so good. Oh my god. That's it.
Then I go in with this Herbivore Lapis Oil, and I take like 4 drops. And if my skin's really dry, I'll do more than that.
Face oil. Alright. I'm trying to look at my products here because I don't experiment a lot with skincare. I have a few products I know work for me and I stick to it, but I think I'll just do a serum and yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna do this one from L'Oreal, the Revitalift filler. This actually smells so good and a little goes a long way, so
And then I go in with this Herbivore Pink Cloud Moisturizer.
Pink Cloud Moisturizer. Alright, so for moisturizer, I'm gonna use the one that I use every single day, day and night. This is from Avère, and it's one that my dermatologist recommended, so it must be good. I've been using it for years, actually. I put it on the back of my hand, and then the face is feeling very sticky. I have oily skin, so hopefully this will be good for me. Let's see the next step.
Next, I use the Westman Atelier when I get those dry spots and it's hard for makeup to sit on top of it. This just saves the day.
Alright, so another serum. I'm gonna do this one, the Vitamin C from Garnier. Let's go. I actually really like this one. They sent it to me and I'm almost done with it. So sticky.
So next I use this Cocoa Pine sunscreen. My mom was really adamant about me and my sister wearing it when we were younger.
Alright, sunscreen. I'm gonna be using this one from Nivea. It's the same one I used in my last video, my go-to summer makeup routine. So I feel like I'm gonna be so sticky and so like primed by the end of this skincare routine. Oh wow, this sunscreen smells so good. I think I won't even need any primer. I feel like I'm doing so much already. And it's shiny. Wow, glass skin. Thanks, Lola.
Next I'm gonna just use this Ilia lip balm. It has this like cooling effect. It's got like a minty sort of scent.
Alright, she's using an Ilia lip balm and I actually have a little sample of that same lip balm, I think. Or at least it's from the same brand. So I'm gonna be using that. I actually have tried this before, the sample, not the actual product, unfortunately, but I really like it, so it's a great one. Very nice.
So then I use this Herbivore Rose Hibiscus spray just for the vibes.
Face spray. Alright, I have this one from Bubble. They sent it to me. I really like this product. However, I'm pretty sure I don't have anything left. Let's try, but I don't think I do. Yeah, nothing. I guess we're skipping that step then.
So I love these lip tinted eye masks. We got sent a bunch of them on set and we use them all the time, and I love them so much that I bought them for my mom.
Okay, so we're doing eye masks next. I actually don't think I've ever done this before, but I do have some. They were in the fridge, so I just took them out. But yeah, let's try them for the first time now, shall we? Have a little spatula. Guys, I can't open them. I feel like they're stuck. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to use this little spatula, but we're not getting along. So, oh wait. I just broke the end over there. This is not very makeup content creator of me. Alright, both of them are on. I feel like this one's trying to run away. Maybe I should just stop touching them and just let them be for a second. Alright, so while I wait for those 15 minutes to pass, let's just see what the next step is.
Next, I'm going to take this Urban Decay liner that I've probably had for too long, and I'm just going to line my eyes while I'm letting these guys sit for a little bit. I like to do like a really tiny wing and just kind of smudge it out a little bit. Sometimes it's hit or miss. It's already a miss. And I take like, it's a little smudgy brush and I just put some of the eyeliner.
Alright, so she takes a brown pencil, creates a little wing, and smudges with a brush. Let's go. I'm gonna be using this pencil from Sephora, the 12-Hour Colorful Contour Eye Pencil in shade 13. My hands are all slippery from the eye mask. Oh wow, that actually worked out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Do I really have to smudge it with a brush? Lola. Alright, so I'm gonna do exactly as she does. I'm gonna take the brush, put some of the pencil on the brush. I've never done this. Hopefully it works out. Oh my god, I think I put way too much. I tried it in my hand. It worked out just fine. So let's see. That actually looks pretty cool. Alright, so for the next step, she already has these eye masks out, but I still have 11 minutes left, so I think I'm just gonna wait a bit and I'll come back. Alright, time to take these off. Oh wow, that feels very nice actually.
I'm just gonna go in with this Cocoa Kind Revitalizing Eye Cream, and it has this lovely like applicator that's also very cooling.
Eye cream, I'm gonna use the Brighten-I eye cream from the Inkey list.
I'm gonna go in now with this Merit Beauty concealer, minimalist stick in Dune. I love this stuff. And then I'm gonna use the Thrive mascara.
So a little bit of concealer under the eyes. I'm gonna use NARS Radiant Creamy, my favorite. I'm just now noticing she actually lets the concealer sit for a little bit and then she curls her lashes, does mascara, and then blend the concealer. So let's do that. gonna start by blending over here on some blemishes and now the under eye. So cute!
Elf Halo Glow Setting Powder.
Alright, setting powder, powder puff, let's go. I'm gonna use Hydra, my favorite.
Brow gel that I've been loving. I have really gotten some of the sweetest, most thoughtful messages and just, you know, had some of the best in-person interactions too with fans who are just so happy to, you know, see an Asian American family on screen and who have just poured their hearts out to me about, you know, what the show means to them. And as a human being, I mean, there's nothing really more you could ask for than that. And then I'm gonna use this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel.
Alright, so she's going to use two brow gels, a tinted one and a clear one. For tinted, I'm gonna use the Forever Brow Mascara from Andrea, and then she uses a clear one from NYX, which I actually have, however, mine is empty. I keep it just because I love the brush, but I do love this product. It's my favorite brow gel I've ever tried. I want to get a new one, however, I haven't been able to find this in stores in forever. So, I might do another one for a clear brow gel. And some clear gel on top to set everything. Okay, I actually really like this combo. I usually use one or the other, but I really like this.
I'm gonna use this Merit blush in Raspberry Blue. It kind of goes with the berry lip we're doing today.
Blush, I love blush, it's my favorite part. She uses a berry one. I have this one right here from Kiku. Let me see, I actually don't wear this a lot, but it might work out. That's berry enough for me. I'm kind of scared because I already did my powder. Usually I do this product before powder, but we're following someone else's routine today, not mine. And let me tell you, this routine is a lot different than my routine. I love it, it's so cute.
I'm gonna go in with this Merit lipstick. So this is the berry lip moment. I've been working with Coach a little bit recently, which is very unreal, and they're so cool. And now with this branch, Coachtopia, their commitment to sustainable fashion is unlike anything I've ever seen. And oh, hello berry lip.
Okay, she's doing a berry lip. I have two different kinds of berry lipsticks. I have this one from Kiku, which is definitely berry. However, I'm afraid it might be a little too intense, but hers is kind of intense too, huh? And then I have this one from Dior. I've actually filmed a TikTok on this lipstick. And it's like that. It's a little bit more of a balm. I'm indecisive. I'm gonna try the Kiko one. And then if I don't like it, I'll just take it off, I guess. Doing this lipstick with no lip liner is definitely a challenge. That's the lip.
I have this NYX Butter Gloss. I've had many NYX Butter Glosses. This one is in Brown Drip, and I'm gonna put it over the berry lip for a little extra.
Okay, I have a NYX gloss as well. It's not the same shade, but it's still a brown, so I'm gonna use it anyways. over the slip. Okay. The brush is getting all red.
I think we're done.
We're doing setting spray now, so I have this one from Revolution. I usually do setting spray before mascara. Hopefully it works out this way too. Actually, how fancy is this fan that Nivea sent me? It's so cute. And it works out so fast. Alright, and I guess she's done. Alright, and I guess this is it. I had a lot of fun recreating her routine. It's definitely a lot different than my typical makeup routine, but this was fun. I love the berry lip and the berry blush. I've been loving berry tones lately, so yeah, I love it. I want to do more of these Vogue Beauty Secrets type videos. I've been wanting to do them for so long, but I just didn't know whose routine I should recreate first. But I took the fact that the Summer I Turned Pretty is back as a sign, so that's the reason why I chose Lola. But let me know whose routine you'd like to see next, because I definitely love to do more if you're into celebrity makeup recreations. I do a lot of that on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to follow. The links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below whose routine you'd like to see next, and if you're Team Conrad or Team Jeremiah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!